Eating 2 boiled eggs every morning can provide numerous health benefits due to their high nutritional value. Here's a detailed breakdown of how they impact your body. 1. Boosts brain function. Eggs contain choline, a crucial nutrient that helps in the formation of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for brain communication. Choline improves memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. It is especially beneficial for pregnant women as it supports fetal brain development. 2. Supports muscle growth. Each boiled egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which provides essential amino acids that aid in muscle repair and growth. This makes eggs an excellent choice for people who exercise, bodybuilders, or those looking to maintain lean muscle mass as they age. 3. Aids in weight loss. Eggs are low in calories, around 70 kilocalories per egg, but high in protein, which promotes satiety and reduces hunger cravings. Studies suggest that eating eggs for breakfast can help reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day, leading to weight loss and better appetite control. 4. Strengthens bones. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption. Strong bones reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in older adults. The combination of protein and vitamin D in eggs supports bone health and density. 5. Improves eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and aging. These nutrients lower the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, which are common causes of vision loss in older adults. 6. Enhances skin and hair health. Eggs are rich in biotin, vitamin B7, protein, and selenium, which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Biotin helps prevent brittle hair and nails, while selenium acts as an antioxidant to protect against premature aging and skin damage. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Eggs have a low glycemic index, GI, and do not cause blood sugar spikes, making them a great food for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. The protein and healthy fats in eggs help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve metabolic health. 8. Supports heart health. Contrary to old beliefs, eggs do not raise bad cholesterol, LDL, in most people. Instead, they help increase good cholesterol, HDL, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in eggs contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation.